When it comes to your Washington, D.C. business, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently is essential. One aspect that often gets overlooked but plays a major role in your commercial property's performance is your windows. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or install new ones, professional installation is crucial for achieving optimal performance, safety, and energy efficiency. Here's why professional installation for commercial windows in Washington, D.C. is not just a good idea, but an essential investment for the long-term success of your business. Optimal energy efficiency. Washington, D.C. experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from hot and humid summers to cold, snowy winters. As a business owner, you need windows that are not only visually appealing but also energy efficient. Improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, air leaks, and inefficient insulation, which can cause significant temperature fluctuations inside your building. This, in turn, makes your heating and cooling systems work harder, resulting in higher energy bills. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed, tightly fitted, and aligned, helping to maximize insulation. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple panes, low E coatings, and insulated frames, can keep the temperature inside your building consistent year-round. This leads to lower energy consumption, reducing your utility costs and making your business more sustainable. In a city like Washington, where energy costs can add up, the investment in professional installation quickly pays for itself in savings on heating and cooling. Enhanced security and safety. Security is always a top priority for business owners. Windows that are poorly installed can create vulnerabilities, making it easier for intruders to break into your building. Gaps, misalignments, or weak seals can compromise the structural integrity of your windows, offering an easy entry point for burglars. This could put your property, employees, and assets at risk. Professional installation ensures that your windows are securely fitted and equipped with high-quality locking mechanisms. Furthermore, experienced installers will ensure that windows are properly reinforced, particularly if you're installing windows made from impact-resistant glass, which can significantly enhance the security of your commercial space. Whether your business is in a busy area of Washington or a more secluded location, ensuring your windows are installed correctly is key to maintaining a safe and secure environment for your staff and customers. Increased durability and longevity. Windows are an investment in your commercial property, and you want to make sure they last for many years without needing constant maintenance or replacement. Incorrect installation can cause a range of problems, from air and water leaks to structural damage and warping. When windows are not installed properly, they can quickly lose their integrity, leading to cracks, breaks, or even complete failure of the window frame. A professional installer ensures that your windows are installed according to manufacturer specifications and industry best practices, giving you peace of mind that your windows will last. Proper installation reduces the chances of premature wear and tear, extending the lifespan of your windows and protecting your investment over time. Additionally, a proper installation job reduces the need for costly repairs and replacements down the line. Better performance and functionality. your commercial windows need to perform well for both practical and aesthetic reasons. Improper installation can lead to windows that don't operate smoothly or seal correctly, reducing functionality. For example, windows that don't open or close properly can affect ventilation, temperature control, and even the security of your property. Professional installers have the expertise to ensure that your windows operate as they should, smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're installing casement windows that need to open outward, sliding windows that need to slide easily, or fixed windows that require precise sealing, a professional installation will guarantee the functionality and performance you expect. This will improve both the comfort of your commercial space and the quality of the indoor environment for employees and customers. Compliance with local building codes. Washington, D.C. has specific building codes and regulations that must be adhered to when installing windows in commercial properties. Whether it's related to safety, energy efficiency, or accessibility, failing to meet these codes can result in fines, delays, or even the need to redo the installation. Professional window installers are familiar with local codes and regulations, ensuring that your windows meet all necessary requirements. By choosing a professional installer, you ensure that your windows are installed according to DC's stringent standards, avoiding potential legal and financial issues in the future. This also helps to ensure that your business remains compliant with the latest regulations, which can be particularly important if you ever decide to sell or lease your property. Increased curb appeal and brand image. The appearance of your commercial property plays a significant role in the overall perception of your business. Whether you're operating a storefront, office, or restaurant, customers and clients are likely to notice the condition of your windows. If your windows are old, damaged, or poorly installed, it can give off an unprofessional impression that may impact your business. Professional installation can help enhance your property's curb appeal by ensuring that your windows are aligned, secure, and visually appealing. New windows with clean lines, modern finishes, and a secure fit can improve the overall aesthetic of your building, enhancing your brand image and making your space more inviting to potential customers and clients. Expert advice and customized solutions. Professional window installers bring more than just their technical expertise to the table. They also provide valuable advice on selecting the best windows for your specific needs. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, security, noise reduction, or aesthetic appeal, a professional installer can recommend windows that meet your business's requirements. They will also help you navigate the many different window materials, styles, and features available to ensure that you get the best product for your budget and goals. Final thoughts. When it comes to commercial windows, professional installation is essential for ensuring maximum performance, durability, and efficiency. From reducing energy costs and improving security to enhancing the aesthetics of your building, proper installation ensures that your windows will function as intended and provide long-term value. Whether you're renovating an existing property or installing new windows in a newly constructed building, hiring a professional installer in Washington, D.C. ensures that the job is done right from the start, saving you time, money, and stress in the future.